Godzilla Zeobots versus Drunk Juggernaut. Now let me shout out to Juggernaut on Geomon. So hi, I'm Aqua, and I hope you have a good day tomorrow. Okay, serious video. Oh my gosh, what is that? What? Wow, just wow. What was that all about? Okay, say hi. Oh crap. Asa! Huh? What the heck? Get down here, Mama. Wait. Get down here. No. Hi. I actually think that's a lizard. But what type of lizard is it? It's Godzillasaurus. It seems to be mutated. Oh crap. Godzilla, run me over. Let's get out of here. Huh? What is wrong with these people? Okay, so it goes off. Get to bring some stuff. Okay, 5 hours later. Oh my gosh, it's Godzilla. I cannot believe it. But if it's gonna, great. If it's gonna kill us, then why didn't it kill us before? Maybe it's because it didn't want it. Didn't look like it. Here, let me get this book. Hey, let me read a book about Godzilla. Actually, it turns out that Godzilla is also a good guy. Maybe we can recruit it to the Autobots. Let me go ask. Godzilla! Yes? Would you like to join the Autobots? Sure. Alright. He said yes. Guys, I don't think that thing would want you to make it join. I am the king of all monsters, and I volunteer to sacrifice my life for the Autobot leader.